What are all these tiny little things? Again, notice the environment. We are in a spruce forest and lots of moss around. Now we are speaking about very small mushrooms, because if you look at the size of the knife nearby, we are speaking about a stipe that is less than 1 millimeter in diameter. Let's remove the twigs around and look at the mushroom more in detail. Blah, blah. You see how it's moving? The stipe is actually very fragile. I'll remove it gently, and this is what we have here. So you see, the shape is with a very long stipe. Let me take a knife to show you. So the shape is with a very long stipe for a very small hat, and the hat is pointy. This is something that guides us towards the group of Mycena. Mycena are mushrooms that all have more or less this shape, conical hat, gills under the hat, and a very long stipe. And they are saprophytic, so they eat dead woods and dead branches, especially pine needles. So this is actually the substrate on which they thrive. Something very difficult to digest, but these mushrooms do it very well. But that's not the most interesting about this mushroom. The most interesting is what happens if you cut the stipe. You see, it is secreting some latex that is red, especially this dark red, like almost blood color. And this is why this species is called Mycena sanguinolenta, because it's what in Latin means bloody. If you look also at the cap itself, it is very small, and it has this kind of nipple in the middle, that is red, which gives us a hint about possible colors of the latex. And also very interesting to note is, for these species, the Micena species in general, you can sometimes see by transparency from the top of the cap all the gills, and you see here all the gills from the cap. Oop, where am I? I'm here. Hop là. You see all the different gills here.